wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, once again, I want to apologize to Sir P about that off-the-wall vid that I did. It's very embarrassing and I'm not happy about it. With that said, I am going to move on. As discussed, Sir P put out a lot of stuff on SHABDON. Me, from day one, I was saying there is no motive and there is really no evidence. Arizona Boss and other people, as you can see, believe Sir P and saying, yeah, SHABDON is this, is that, is this, is that, is whatnot, said on cold fat. Well, his lawyer contacted Sir P, and what that means, this man is upset, and it means that he is defending his name. And that's what that means. So, for all the people out there who is attacking him, SHABDON, I still say there is no evidence. All it is, it's a bunch of innuendos, and I'm going to use this word, alternative facts. And that's what I think these things are. Now, like I said, in a murder of somebody close to you. So, J-Bad, G-Money, or where them want to name, them need to check them friends, them close associates, and check them family. That's how you start from first. So, I feel my point of view or my opinion on SHABDON is the right one. My name is CountryMan. Remember to click on the next video, and there's a SHABDON video coming up after this. Click on it. Sir P, my bad, great one, my bad. I kind of went off the wall, you know. Countryman, my head no good. Believe me, my head no good. So, peace out, and all of the subscribers, them I love you know. I'm out.